Hello everyone, so right over here I want to show you guys when you know that you might have to have your water tank replaced. We had this water tank um, when we bought the house. It's already here, and I believe this is over 10 years old, and usually the service life of any water tank is around 10 to 15 years. And in this case, if you look closely, everything, every part, every joint on this tank is rusted to a point that actually when we take shower now, we turn on the hot water, there's only warm water comes out. So I suspect there's a lot of rust inside near the heating elements or whatever, just in the tank. It's probably pretty nasty. So today we actually have someone to come over here to get the water tank replaced. I want to make this video because I want to show you guys, when you see rust around this area, it probably means this tank is at the end of its life. So the service guy is going to come over, he's going to remove the tank and replace it with a brand new unit. I think we bought it from Home Depot. It's a Rheem Performance series. It's the same size, which is a 30-gallon tank and rated at 3,800 total watts. And usually it's a good idea to replace the tank with another one that's rated the same capacity and power rating. So that's exactly what we're gonna do, because we can't get a bigger tank because of the height limitation over there. So we're getting a 30-gallon short tank, exactly same size as this one. And the installer is going to come in a little bit, and he's going to start replacing the tank. I may take some videos to show you guys exactly what he's doing to replace the tank. Basically, I think a couple valves needs to be changed and replaced. For example, also like our valve to control the incoming cold water is completely broken. Like there's no way of turning it, and he's going to get that replaced as well. Okay, so I didn't take any videos during installation because it was pretty loud and I don't want to get into the way. The new water tank, it's completely finished, and I think it took about 2 to 3 hours for the installer to take off the old pipes, the rusty ones, and put on the new pipes and the fittings. So as you can see, the actually right now use the flex tube, which I think it's a lot more easier to work with next time the thing needs to be replaced. And the new tank is actually much more energy efficient than the old one we had. So as you can see, the estimated energy cost is only 293. If you saw the video before of the energy cost of the old one, I think it was 400 something. So it's definitely a lot better at conserving energy, because what I can see is they use more insulations around all the important parts and areas, and it heats up really quick. So like basically when the power was turned on and I was just waiting there for like I think 10 minutes, and then I started running the hot water to do the test, because the installer asked me to do the test, which I did, and I already had warm water come out, and after like an hour it's hot water. So it's super quick, super fast to heat up the stuff, and it's fairly energy conserving. So I would say this is a good upgrade. If your water tank is really old and outdated, you're gonna save a lot on energy bills, and in the long run. And compared to, because we also consider tankless option, compared to tankless, you're actually gonna save a couple $1,000 upfront on the installation as well. And for the tankless, if you had old water tanks, you have to also convert your electricity box to allow much larger current draw, and that is also another significant cost on top of just upgrading to a more energy efficient water tank. So that also takes into consideration of the cost in the long run. So I think fairly quickly, if you guys just want to upgrade, your old water tank, this is the best way to go. Just go to your local hardware store, find a tank, and they actually have the installer on site, or they actually have the installer standing by just to get those water tanks installed. There you have it. If you guys have any questions about replacing your water tank, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Please hit like or subscribe if you do find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.